What do you need to get started to crochet Florina jumper or cardigan? You will need a yarn categorized as medium group 4, hook size 5mm plus minus, scissors, soft measuring tape, stitch markers, tapestry needle, pen and paper, PDF pattern to follow with step-by-step instructions with UK and US terms on different pages, and the PDF also includes easy-to-follow 2D diagrams. You will also need 3 buttons if you are going to crochet a cardigan with buttons, and a zipper for cardigan with a zipper. Before you begin the project, I would recommend crocheting a swatch sample. I use a hook size 5mm. The hook size is only suggestion. Adjust your tension by using different hook sizes. If you have too many stitches per 10 cm, use larger hook size or crochet a looser tension. If you have too few stitches per 10 cm, use a smaller hook size or crochet tighter tension. In this example, I crocheted 20 stitches per row with the same yarn but used different hook sizes. For the one on the top, I used a crochet hook size 4.5mm. For the sample in the middle, I used 5mm hook, and the lower one I used a hook size 5.5mm. You can see that it changes in width and length. I think it's important to create your swatch sample before any big project. But if you create jumper, dress or cardigan, it can create frustration as it can turn too small or too big. Of course, a larger item isn't a huge problem because you could still fit as an oversized creation and still be wearable in comparison to a small one. The golden rule is to create a sample with recommended hook size first. If it isn't a match to the pattern tension or gauge, work out your tension before you begin the project, and after that you should have a perfect finished item that can fit.